Hey everybody, it's Nylon. I just took this out of the bag, but it is the RESVIN, and it is a boot bag. So we're gonna show you guys this for my ski boots. We get I guess an instruction manual here for it. Not sure what kind of instructions I need, but I'll look at it anyways and see. It just tells you all about all the different places to put things, pieces and parts. I don't have my boots with me now, but I'll show you the bag. Okay, I'm back, and I want to show you guys what I did. I loaded this up a bit with some of my ski equipment, so I'll show you what I got. So let's open up the back here first, and I'll show you where my boots are. I did not have my ski boots, but look, I got my hiking boots in there. So I got my hiking boots in there right now, so that's going to be good. So I'll show you that. And then up back here, to put these back down, up in this top section right here, I'll show you guys this. In here, I put my ski goggles. I have my ski goggles in the case. I just stuck them up here. So those are going to be up in this top section. So there's that. And it's good. It's got the little flaps over it and stuff to keep it waterproof. And then in this section here, looks like I've already got started going open. So then I have that big section that I was talking about before. And that one there, got my helmet. Stuck my helmet in there. So now I've got my helmet and my stuff in there. So check it all out. So now you can see I've got everything in there, and then I've got the backpack right here, so I can just tote this stuff around when I'm going to the skis area, stick it in the locker when I take my stuff out, because it'll be nice and small because I'll be using everything, and I'm ready to go. And it's super comfortable, super easy to do, and I can have my skis on the side and everything, and I am good to go. So I'm going skiing in another couple of months. Obviously I'm wearing shorts now, warm here, but I'll be skiing soon, and I'll be using this. So I will be the one styling on the slopes while the rest of the family sitting there carrying all their crap individually. So thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.